What's going on, man? So you want to learn how to, patch up your beard and stuff, right? So look, subscribe to the channel. Come on. Because I'm going to make this video fast and simple. Let's get straight to it.
What's going on? 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 What's going on?
So the first thing you want to do is just let it grow. You know what I'm saying? Let your hair fill up them spots, man. See me? I shaved it down here. Alright, number 2. You're going to want to use biotin pills. Biotin increase your nail growth, your hair growth, and also your skin, and clear up your skin and everything. So take biotin pills, you know what I'm saying? That's going to help. Trust me. So number 3, what you gonna use is a derma roller. This little thing right here got microfiber needles on it that penetrates your skin and causes more blood flow to your skin, which helps your hair grow even more. You will want to use this every 3 days. That's what they recommend. Every 3 days you use this. Number 4, you're gonna use hair growth oil. This I recommend using. It's really a good hair growth oil right here. I got it off Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Here you go, right here. And it's real thick, so you know what I'm saying? It really catches your hair and it stay on there for a good amount of time. Alright, number 5, you're gonna wanna exercise. Exercise increases your metabolism, and your metabolism that increases your testosterone. So you know what I'm saying, that's what help male beards grow. Told you I'm gonna make this short and simple. Alright, so let me wrap this video up, y'all. Man, if you like this, make sure you smash the like button, comment down below what y'all think. Go hit the subscribe button, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. I'm out.